It's such a huge change. It's fun and happy.
Oh, this is so, we could have never done this.
Whoa! Holy jeez!
Nye was 3 years old when we learned about his developmental issues. I remember it like it is right now. I went to a doctor, he was tested, and the doctor said, Nye has autism. And I remember walking through the street, and it was so crowded and busy, and all I could hear was nothing. But I could see like everybody walking, I could see the cars, and I remember pushing the stroller, and I'm like, I don't know what this is, but whatever it is, we're gonna get through this together.
Raising a child with autism comes with its own set of unique challenges, and this family always rises to the occasion. But what he could really use is a sensory room. It's a place that can stimulate him with light and touch and feel. What's up, guys? Welcome home. Good to see ya. How you doing, big guy? Nye?
All right.
You good? So you guys want to see what we do with your basement?
Yes!
All right, follow me.
All right.
Go. Let's go. Whoa! Great.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I didn't see the bathroom. Oh,
see that bathroom?
oh gosh, this is like amazing. Oh my goodness, I can use the bathroom now. I love the bathroom. I love the bathroom. Before we had an outhouse, and now we have an actual bathroom with a sink. Oh, this is so, we could have never done this. Could have never done this. This is beautiful.
I think it touches every part of our family. I mean, you guys could somehow got a piece of Robbie, myself, and Nye. And Evan. That's the most touching part, I think, of the whole experience.
It is. Yep.
Danny was diagnosed with a rare form of pediatric brain cancer at just 3 years old. Danny has bravely endured years of chemotherapy and still battles seizures and developmental challenges. Although he's not cancer-free, his condition is stable and his spirit remains unbreakable.
Walking down the hallway to Danny's room, I had already seen what they did to our room and then the girls' room, and I knew his room was going to be extraordinary.
Oh my gosh! So good!
Wow. I loved it because usually he's a little bit guarded. He's not always sure of how he's supposed to react in situations because he's not great with social things. Even one of the girls whispered, that's the most genuine reaction I've ever heard out of Danny, like really from his heart where he hasn't been guarded. And
He just loved it.
What is that?
Holy cow.
This guy, David Wright, he just, you know, turns out he's a fan.
Oh my gosh! Danny, boy, your favorite player!
And we even fixed up your closet. Oh, as you can see, we got another comforter and some pillows in there because I know that he's away at school right now, but he comes home sometimes. And so we got you this, my friend. And give it a whirl. It's pretty comfortable. I know there doesn't have any sheets on it right now. Yeah. You're not going to have any problems on that bed. We got pillows, mattress. We find a way on George the Rescue.
Oh my gosh!
We have 4 children, 3 teenage boys. As far as our living space, my husband and I have a master bedroom. My daughter has her own bedroom, and then my 3 sons are down in the basement. One of the biggest challenges, especially for this family, is the height on my 2 older boys. One's 6'7½", one's 6'9", which in everyday life could be a little bit of a challenge on its own, let alone in a small confinement of a basement.
You want to see what we did?
I want to see.
All right, let's go.
Let's do it. Whoa! Holy jeez! This is freaking awesome! Holy God! This is amazing! This is unbelievable!
I didn't know there was that we could do that much to just a square box.
Oh my God! Check it out! Oh, holy God. God, I can't, I'm overwhelmed.
We have 3 boys. Philip, who is 13 years old, Daniel, who is 11 years old, and we have Alex, who is 7 years old. And Philip was diagnosed at the age of 2 with a childhood cancer called Burkitt's lymphoma. And Danny gave his bone marrow at the age of 9 months to Philip to help save Philip's life. And he currently is in remission for 10 years. Danny and Alex have autism. So all 3 boys do share a room upstairs. It's a little bit of a tough sleeping situation right now.
So are you guys ready to see your house? You guys ready to come home?
Whoa! Wow!
This is all for you, Danny and Alex.
This is so awesome.
This is a full sensory room right here, and then bedrooms right there for both Danny and Alex.
Whoa!
I think we'll move down here. It's very touching to know that George and everybody found our story so heartening to come and help us. Sometimes when you wonder, like, who's out there, who really cares? And it just shows that, you know, people who have never met before want to help us.
You guys want to go up and see Philip's room?
Yeah.
You ready to see your room, buddy?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Oh my God.
Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Philip, you got
That's great. Look at this cool
Wow! Look at TV!
Thank you very much, George.
We live in this house with myself, my wife Daniela, Anthony, who's 9, and Andrew, who's 5 years old.
So Andrew has had asthma since he was 4 months old. He's on medications in the morning and in the evening. What really sets his asthma off is the change in weather.
We have lived in this house for approximately 3.5 years. Our home has 2 livable floors, and the 3rd floor is an attic, which is an unfinished space.
The house has got tons of potential, especially up in the attic. Unfinished attic. Right now it's a dumping ground for all of their seasonal stuff. We can clean it up. We can make it safe for Andrew and for the whole family. I have a funny feeling you guys are going to be using these stairs a lot more now. Are you ready? Are you set?
Yes.
Come on in. Welcome home.
I can't. Oh!
I can't believe it.
Take off my shoes.
I can't believe it.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I'm shaking. Look, you guys have space to do homework. Closet space.
They're all empty right now because I know you got a lot of stuff.
Oh
Yeah.
my goodness.
Oh, a new Xbox One.
Oh goodness.
I just noticed the TV.
Yeah? You didn't notice the TV?
Noticed the TV.
You didn't even, yeah. That's how slick it is.
Could this be my bedroom?
Yeah. If it's not mine
I don't think you
first.
guys are ever gonna leave. Like
no,
ever.
football table after.
Oh my goodness, look.
James is only 11, but he is mature beyond his years. Oftentimes, he is the 3rd parent to his 2 younger brothers, who both have severe autism. What do you say? You guys want to come home? You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Excited. Let's see.
Welcome home.
Oh my God.
Oh wow. They're gonna love this.
It's such a huge change. It's fun and happy.
And just seeing the murals up there, and the bunk beds, and the lights, and the little lightning balls. Absolutely incredible. I'm amazed.
These sensory items in here is just the tip of the iceberg. You guys want to go up and see the actual sensory room?
Absolutely.
All right.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This is amazing. Personality-wise, I mean, it suits both of them so well. Mikey has his little reading corner, the fish for Joe.
The ball pit.
Yeah, right? Get in there.
Now they have the rock wall. They have the noodles, which are so cool with the lights.
I can't begin to put into words what this does for our family.
So we came in here and we wanted to do the bedroom for Mikey and Joey, and we wanted to do the sensory room for them, but we couldn't leave out the third parent, the third adult in the house. Welcome to the stadium.
Oh.
Holy, wow. This is when you know he's super happy, because he just like...
To see James walk into his new room and be completely dumbfounded, he just looked around and he saw everything that he loves.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.